want to be on YouTube too?
Hi.
Hey. Thank you. And next up is Vogue or Voge. I have no idea how to pronounce it. So it's also a brand that has been imported now into our country. And it also has a adventure model, so I have to try it out. About 46 horsepower. So this is a rival of the new Royal Enfield Himalayan. Yeah. And also a little bit more of a TED bike. 300 rally. The DS 525X. That's a whole lot of numbers going on right there. And on this side is a DS 900X. I gotta say, these are pretty good looking adventure motorcycles. Look at that. Nice. Now, of course, when talking reliability, I have no idea how good they are, but a lot of these engines are also in KTMs. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try and get my hands on one of these in the future as well, because I actually want to ride them. Now, let's go KTM. Moto Morini. Let's go KTM. Moto Morini. Now, Moto Morini does have the Escape, and I actually really like it. It looks really, really good. Okay. So we got an Escape over here in black. We got one in white. The 749 is over there. But this is kind of my favorite. Look at that. I really like how it looks. And these bikes are also not very expensive. For example, we have the normal Escape over here. And look at these prices. Look at that. 7,000, 7,490 with the spoke wheels and the gold wheels. It is 7,690 euros. I mean, look at this red one with the golden wheels. That is a good looking motorcycle if you ask me. I don't know, but what do you guys think? So in the future, I want to ride the more cheaper bikes as well and compare them to the more expensive bikes. Like, do you actually need to pay like 15,000 euros for an adventure motorcycle? Or will 7,500 do it also? Yeah. And of course, for the male audience. And the new 2024 1200 1200 V2 Corsa Corta Evo. Look at that. Nice. Oh yeah, KTM right there. But I was just passing by Klim, and Klim is like a very good brand for motorcycle clothing, and yeah.
Money!
Yeah, I'd rather be on a motorcycle as a model instead of just standing in the rain. Nice. That was free advertisement for Klim. Yeah. Cool fact, KTM fixed the button after I said it was too pointy. Look at that. They fixed it for me. Thank you. And of course, I'm going to record the dirt bikes all in once because you guys are not really interested in dirt bikes. My new bike, look at that. The 790 Adventure. And of course, the 390. I did have a lot of fun jumping with this one. 125 Duke for the kids.
Yay!
The one and only monster. 1290 Superduke R. And the new one on the side, the new 990. Look at that. That front light looks like it came from a movie Predator. Look at that. That is crazy. A new set of buttons. Very digital feeling. Now, as far as I know, I was hoping that KTM would release like the 1390 series. There's like 1390 Super Dukes and Adventure R's coming. It's not for EICMA. Too bad, too bad. Oh, Husqvarna also released the scooter. This little creepy thing was launched yesterday. Look at that. Yeah. And my preferred off-road TED motorcycle, the Norden 901. I absolutely loved riding this. I'm more of a Husqvarna guy actually because I had like a 350 Enduro and I do like the colors, I do like how it rides. Well, it's most likely like a KTM 890 that's over there, but you know, I like the retro look. Also a little part of KTM is of course MV Agusta, and over here is the new LXP Edi Orioli Edizione Limitata. Well, that's kind of my best Italian for you guys. Really good looking bike though. Terminioni exhaust. Nice. And of course the girls are also just as fine as the motorcycles here. Not bad at all. Oh.
Hi.
Hey! You want to be on YouTube too?
Hi.
Hey! Thank you.
Welcome.
And I have to say, these are one of the most spectacular motorcycles in the market right now. The amount of detail is just absolutely phenomenal. Brutale 1000 RR. Look at that thing. Love that design. And the Dragster American Special. And of course, if the subscribers ask me to record something, look at that. The brand new Lucky Explorer adventure bike. Nice. This one's also fully packed. Look at that, we got bags over there, we got the top case even behind it. You could stay away from your wife for like months. We're getting some very nice experiences at Agusta for sure. That is a fact. Now I do remember a couple of years ago Segway came out with like this two-wheeled and now they've come a long way. They're also creating racing buggies. This thing is called the Hybrid Super Villain SX20T. Kind of pretty badass name. No idea why it says hybrid. Actually it says hybrid. Oh, anyway, let's check inside. Yeah, nice. Okay, now a couple months ago I was also thinking about riding the Verge. That bike is like 1,200 Newton meters of Turkey. Look what we got over here. Verge. And why I actually want to ride it is because of the rear wheel. Look at this, look at that. That's a piece of engineering marvel right there. Now this little monster over here has 1,000 Newton meters, 137 horsepower. I know, it's another electrical one. Don't leave me on this one, but I mean, look at that thing. That's kind of nuts, right? Okay, not too much electricity just yet. Slowly bringing it to the channel. Very slowly. I know you guys don't really like it, but I like it a little bit. I gotta be honest. Here's some ladies, just for you guys' adventure. Grazie. My name is Jeff. We're gonna make a deal here. Every time I record something electric, I'm gonna record a nice lady just to keep you on the channel. And of course, no offense to my Chinese friends, but for some reason, there is like a lot of Chinese brands I have never heard from. And this is just like Chinatown or something. I don't know. I don't want to be racist or anything, but you know, it is what it is. Like, what in the world are they making these days? I feel like I ended up in the suburbs from EICMA or something. I have no idea what this part is, but like I said, there's like a lot of Chinese, a lot of products I have never seen before. A lot of electricity as well. It's kind of spooky here. But I've been recording some more electrical stuff, so I gotta fix it again. God dang it. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, I don't know all of these brands, but some of them have got like really big potential. Hey. Grazie. Really big potential. If I'm ever buying a BMW GS 1300 Trophy, I'm buying that helmet, Aero Commander 2. I really like that one. I hear a lot of fart noises. Now let's head back over to Ducati for 3 new world premieres. Look at that, the Rocket One. 0 to 100, 2.6 seconds, 1,200 Newton meters of torque, and 400 kilometers of range. It's an electric one. Dang it.
Smokey is the best.
Uh-huh. And of course, when the subscribers asked to see the new Moto Guzzi Stelvio, Smokey represents. I have no idea that the dude's sitting on it's actually part of Moto Guzzi, but you know. Sorry. It's pretty awkward. I'm going to be on TV yet again. Look at that. I'm being on TV all day. A pretty awkward recording a motorcycle with a dude on it from Moto Guzzi itself. Turns out there's like another one without the dude on it. I'm such a goof sometimes. Looks like an airplane engine. Hello. And of course we got the orange version right over there. Also nice. I do prefer the other one. Now Aprilia also has something that I do want to ride. Yeah. No. Of course a Tuareg 660. Yeah. Now the perfect wife doesn't exist. A pretty cool stand from Aprilia as well, look at that. Putting motorcycles under an angle. Now it is almost 5 o'clock, so let's head over to Ducati for the world premiere of 3 new bikes. Yeah. Now it turns out they have a VIP section at Ducati. I kind of missed that invite.
A timeless story.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! I waited all day for that, and I didn't get in the front. Yeah, note for next year, try to get in the front of everyone. Guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, so I can actually come again next year. Anyway, EICMA, you're great. Smokey, out. See ya! Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.